the hologram. Tell me, Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope.
Hi, my name is Bob MacArthur, Marketing Manager for Tonsley Innovation District at Renewal SA. You just saw my daughter Penny in a holographic video. Let me show you how to easily make one of your own. You will need a holographic pyramid, a phone or tablet device, and a holographic video. To make the video, you will need a dark background, like a black sheet or blanket that you can hang or position behind the person being filmed. You will also need a black top. A turtleneck works best, but a t-shirt will be fine also. The combination of the dark background and dark top will give a floating head effect, which looks great in the holographic pyramid. To record the video, you can use your phone or tablet device. It works best to place this on a tripod to keep the camera steady, but if you don't have one of those, you can prop it up on a flat surface instead. You are now ready to record your video. Happy filming! So once you've recorded your video, transfer it to a tablet or computer. You can now use PowerPoint to set up your video to project onto your holographic pyramid. Open a blank PowerPoint presentation and delete the text boxes on the slide. Now insert your video, go to Insert, Video, and insert the video onto the slide. Okay, you'll now want to crop your video so that it's just about the size of the head. It's cropped. Okay, next let us change the background color, so right click Format Background and we'll change that to black. At this point you want to see if there's any difference between the colors of the background and the video. You can see here there's a difference there. So to fix that, you want to click on that. Over on Format Video Settings, change that to about 20% on the contrast. That's fixed. Let's fix that. Okay, now let's move this video over to the side. Now you want to insert a square, hold your Shift button down and sort of want it to be not too big, about that sort of size. We want to get that square right in the middle of the screen, so click on Align, Center, Line, Middle. Okay, that's in the screen. Now we want to shrink down the size of our video so we can place this above the square. So hold Shift down, shrink that down, that's about right. Now let's drag this above the square and that's perfect. Now we want to duplicate this, so we do Control C, Control V to copy it, and let's hold Shift and grab this little circle at the top and rotate that around. Okay, and we'll pop one on this side. Again, Control C, Control V, rotate around holding Shift, and pop one at the bottom. Once more, Control C, Control V, holding Shift, rotate around, and pop this one on the right hand side. Wonderful. Now we have our 4 videos. We can now delete the square in the middle, and there's our 4 videos for our holographic. You next want to make sure these videos will all play in sync together. So select a video, go over to Animations, select the play button and select with previous. Do the same for all of the videos. This will make sure that when we select play, they will all play at the same time. Okay, with previous. Now what you want to do is make sure that the audio is only coming from the main video. You don't want audio from all the others, as it can sound a bit funny. So click on one of the other videos, head over to playback, then select volume and mute. Repeat with the other two, volume, mute, volume, mute. This is now ready to save. Head over to File, Save As, and click on find the location where you want to save this. I'm going to put this on the desktop for now. Holographic video, and you want to change this type to an MPEG-4 video, and click Save, and there you have it. It might take a little while for it to save, depending on how large your video is. This might take a little while to happen, maybe up to 5 minutes, but once it is saved, you will then be able to watch your holographic video on your pyramid.